they are playing.
Okay, Master Mukherjee, I want to get your perspective on this as well, ma'am. Very interesting, and yes, we can get into some of the grammatical errors and all that have been made, but I don't want to have, I don't want to reduce this conversation to just that. I want to understand from your perspective, when they put out on the cover page, which will be presented to different countries, their delegation, which is supposed to be going abroad along with, parallelly with the Indian delegation as well, they've spoken about their right to defend territorial integrity and sovereignty, and they've used the words brutal and measured in the same breath, but at the same time under it, I found it very strange that in a photo montage, you don't have a single photograph of the so-called operation you led against India, but you have some random photo of something where the word Israel is highlighted. Why?
But first of all, Devika, I think by this letter, Pakistan has added a new feather to its cap. It's not only the epicenter of global terrorism, it is the global master of the fake narrative. And I congratulate the Pakistani Prime Minister and his colleagues for having put his country into this very distinctive situation where fake narratives and false narratives, most of them emanate from this country, this semi-failed country. As far as they're sending a delegation is concerned, there is no comparison with what India is doing. India is sending a multi-party delegation. There are 7 delegations with multi-party members of parliament and carefully selected, highly distinguished ex-foreign service officers who have knowledge domain, and they are going to about 24 destinations. Their delegation, which was left to Mr. Bilawal Bhutto of the Bhutto Zardari family claims put together, has about 7 or 8 persons, and they are not going to the kind of destinations we are going to. Ours is far flung across the world: Latin America, Caribbean, P5, Africa, Far East, Malaysia, etc. You name it, we are going there. Secondly, what we are going to do is to explain how time and again, ever since the Indus Water Treaty was agreed to by the neighbors, which was on the basis of friendship on both sides, since then till now, in thousands of ways, Pakistan has tried to destroy India, to cut India with 1,000 cuts, etc. The only difference now is that now, under Prime Minister Modi, we have retaliated, and the horrendous crimes that they inflicted on 26 innocent Indians, we have taken proper retaliatory action through the Operation Sindoor, which is not complete. Operation Sindoor is ongoing. And as far as we are concerned, as our Prime Minister said, blood and water cannot flow together, and a terrorist attack across the border will be treated as an act of war. They know that very well. They also know that it was their DGMO who came crying on the phone to our DGMO. What photographs can they show, Devika? We have damaged their major air bases. Their runways are shut till the 14th of June. What more do they want? If they want more, let them act one more time, and we will destroy the rest of their air bases. As far as we are concerned, Devika, the most important lesson that we have learned, which we always knew right till 1962 onwards, is that India is always alone when it faces threats to its national security.
Yes.
And we don't need anyone. We are a nation of 1.4 billion people with an amazing armed forces, an amazing Prime Minister and government. We will, and people of India, all these blackouts, etc., which happened, Devika, I'm so proud of the fact that there are so many young Indians who've never gone through such a situation, which we have gone through. I have gone through in 71. They handled it with such maturity, the blackouts, the scary nights, all those drone fights, etc. The Indian people have matured and come of age. India is united on this matter, and so they can keep on making a fool of themselves wherever they go. I can assure you that there will be hardly 3 or 4 common destinations. All the rest are what we have selected, who are strategic partners or who belong to regional groups whose support we require. and it is to present India's true narrative of Operation Sindoor, which is ongoing. We have not demobilized. We are ready to face the enemy, and we will take what it takes to remain as we are. It is for Pakistan to decide. That already the IMF is backing off, saying that they are getting a bad reputation. People are saying IMF funds are being used for terror strikes,
Yes.
etc. So we'll see what happens, Devika. But as far as I'm concerned, let's give it a second world title, Devika. That is the global master of the fake narrative. Devika.
Okay, Professor Nalapat, I want to bring you into the conversation, sir. While